So hi guys, it's Dr. Parth Palan here and welcome to the last Minute Pearls for NEETPG examination, and today's subject is physiology. So let's begin the video. So the first screenshot which you are going to take is of the most difficult topic which we all find as NEETPG aspirants, that is Hyponatremia, and all the types of disorders related to it. So this I have concised it in a very simple form, and this is exactly what you need to read, and you need to remember this because more than half of the people are very confused in this. So the people who really it's very conceptual, guys. So if you understand it, well and good, but for the people who are not really able to understand and who have not really been explained well the concepts of this, you literally need to read this thoroughly and remember this. Like, these are the examples, and this also has to be remembered. So guys, this is very important for your physiology. Next I have given the CSF and the aqueous humor compositions of substances in relation to plasma. So increase, decrease, and the same levels. So sodium bicarbonate and osmolality are the same of plasma and CSF. So these and similarly for aqueous humor also, this is the thing you need to remember this. Next is the total body composition, the water composition. Basically, they can always give you numericals also related to this, but even if they don't give numericals, they can ask you like which is what is used to measure that particular compartment volume. So this is what I had made. Actually, I had made this in my first year, but this is really good for me in my. It was really good for me in my NEET as well, NEET preparation. So this is one chart. Everything is given in this. Literally everything to the fluid compartments. Okay, this is from Guyton, so you don't need to read Guyton after you read this chart. Next, and this the hormones which are increased in stress and which are decreased in stress. Next, what I also want you to read is from endocrine. I want you to read all the receptors of hormones. Very important, very important, and it's often asked in the form of one-liners. Next, I also want you to read from endo itself hormonal changes with age, like with age, what increase, what decrease, and what remain the same. There's a beautiful chart, so you have to remember that, you have to go through. Then obviously the most logical concept in the whole of physiology, cardiac cycle. Once you understand the logic, you will never be able to forget it. But if you haven't understood, please read it before your exam, because it's very important, guys. Next, from nerves, from CNS, I want you to read the muscle spindle, or the type 1, type 2, flower ending and all that kind of stuff. So you have to read that. Next, from CNS, I want you to read the sensory receptors, Pacinian corpuscles and all those kind of although it's given beautifully in a table, but it's also most frequently asked question, so you need to read it. Next, just a second. Next, last, basically, I really would want you to read the regulation of respiration. See, you might find it theoretical and you might be thinking why I'm asking to read this, because regulation of respiration is a very clinical topic as well. They can always ask you that that at this level, at medulla it was cut, at below medulla it was cut. Now tell me the type of respiration. So you need to remember this, and it's a very easy question, obviously. So you need to remember the regulation of respiration, guys. And okay, last, you need to remember skeletal muscle versus smooth muscle. Like in smooth muscle, what exactly are the changes? Like, say for example, in skeletal muscle we have Z line. So in smooth muscle we have tense bodies. In skeletal muscle we have T tubules. Smooth muscles we have caveoli. In skeletal muscles we have troponin. In smooth muscles we have calmodulin. It was always very confusing for me. So this, though, you remember iron here in the end. So this you will never forget, troponin for calmodulin, and this you will have to remember. But this is very important, you need to remember. So this was it from physiology, guys. So Please prepare physiology well. It's a very conceptual topic. It's a very scoring topic, guys. So yeah, all the very best, guys. Kill it.